To create my clay wash, I add about half a cup of bentonite clay into a bowl. Then I add a cup of water, starting with a bit at first, and stir. Then I add the rest and stir some more. Now the mixture is a bit stiff at first, so let it rest so that the water can be absorbed. And give it a stir. Then I add about 3 tablespoons of olive oil and a few drops of tea tree oil. I add 3 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and stir some more. I continue adding a bit of water at a time until I reach my desired consistency. And that's it. I cover it up until I'm ready to use.